Okay, so let's make a really quick and easy cilantro lime ranch dressing. I've got some chives here that I'm just giving a rough chop, about a cup of cilantro. You can use more. I probably should have used more as much as I love it. Throwing that all into the bowl of a food processor, and some jalapeno. This is a small one. It's like 4 inches, 3 or 4 inches. I am taking out the bigger part of the membrane. You can leave it in there. It's not that I didn't want it spicy. I just wanted the flavor of the jalapeno and not necessarily the heat. So pulse that plus the garlic until it is finely minced, just like this. Or you can do this by hand. Now, I only wanted to pulse the veggies into a food processor because I wanted to mix everything else by hand. That way, you know, as I taste and adjust, I won't continuously pulse the veggies down to nothing. But if you like that, then keep everything in the food processor. Adding some ranch seasoning, that is imperative here. And I fucked up, dropped my goddamn lime, and such a fuck up. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to rinse that off and juice 2 limes. We zested 2 limes. Add a little bit of salt. We can always add more salt later. We can always add more black pepper later. Whisk everything together. I'm going to add a little bit of ground coriander just to kind of amp up that fruity cilantro taste. I just love cilantro so much. This is granulated swerve. Mine was good, but I wanted it to be just slightly thicker, just a little bit. So I added about 2 more tablespoons of mayo. You can always adjust the consistency of your dressings by adding more of a wet ingredient or more of a creamy ingredient until it's perfect. This was perfect. So I'm transferring this to a mason jar, and that little bit that's left over, I put on some veggies that I had laying around and ate that shit. Did not waste anything. I hope you guys enjoy.